Hello, in this video we're going to talk about packages, or some people call it modules. So basically a package is a previously written code by somebody else, and that code does a certain task. For example, you want to run different process on a certain image. Let's say you want to apply certain filters on an image, cut the image, or run any process. So you don't need to write the entire code from the start because there is somebody already written the code to do all those processes. All you have to do is find that package, install it, and just use it. So in Python, we use pip. Pip is a package manager. So using pip, you can install or update or remove packages. So to use pip, you need a terminal. Here in Visual Studio Code, you could just use the terminal, or you could use the terminal of your operating system. Doesn't matter, both of them work. So in order to install a package, you need to know the name of that package first. And basically you could find any package you want with a simple search in Google. So to install a package inside the terminal, we're gonna say pip, we're gonna give it a space, then we say install, and after that we give it a package name. I'm going to install a package called NumPy, and then when I hit enter, it's going to download and install the package for me. So to see a list of packages that are installed on your device, you could use pip list. So it's going to list all the packages for you. As you can see, we have NumPy, pip, Python Math, and Setup Tools, and this is their version. These are the packages that I have on my device. You could just use the terminal to do this as well. So I'm gonna call pip list here. It's going to give us a list of the package as well. So to remove a package from your system, you could use pip uninstall and you give it the package name. For example, let's remove the package that we just installed. And then it will ask us if we want to proceed. We're gonna pass Y for yes, and it's gonna successfully uninstall the package for us. Now, if I use pip list to list the packages, you'll see that NumPy is no longer inside my packages list. That's how you install and remove packages from your system. So once you installed the package on your device, in order to use it inside your code, first you need to import it at the start of your script. For example, I'm just gonna use math package, and by the way, math package is a built-in package, which means you don't need to install it. It just comes with the Python. So you say import and you write the name of the package. This way you could use that package inside your code. So if we take a look at the math module, you'll see that there is a list of the methods inside math you could use. And let's just use floor, for example. It's gonna round a number down to the nearest integer. So to do that, first we're gonna import the math. Then let's define a variable. And if I print this variable, you will see that it is going to print it with the decimal points. So if I use math.floor method and then pass a score to the method, and if I run this now, it's just gonna print 6. It's gonna round the score down to the nearest integer, which is 6. So this way we could use different packages in our code. And note that when you install a package, it's just gonna install it in your operating system, not on your project. So it doesn't matter if you are inside this script, or you can just go ahead and create another script. It makes no difference. Even if you open a new script, you could still use the package you installed inside this as well, because when you install a package, it's gonna be globally available inside all your Python scripts, and all of them can just access it. You only need to install a package once. You don't need to install it for every project you have. But also note that in Python, you could create virtual environments. So if you don't want to install your packages globally, for example, you don't want to install hundreds of packages for multiple projects, you want to install specific packages for each project. If you want to do that, then you're going to need virtual environments, which we're going to talk about in the next video. So if you had any questions, feel free to ask me. The link for the Discord is in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.